In this video we are going to talk about the top protein sources that you can get from the market on a budget. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Protein is an extremely important nutrient. Including protein-rich foods in your diet has various advantages, including weight loss and improved muscle mass. Fortunately, there are plenty delectable options to fit every dietary requirement. Healthy protein sources, on the other hand, may be too expensive for some people. While certain protein sources are pricey, there are many less priced options. Here are 10 nutritious protein sources that aren't too expensive. Number 10. Natural peanut butter. Peanut butter is a high-protein food. It's also affordable, with a 16-ounce, 454-gram jar costing roughly $2.50 on average. This creamy nut butter has 8 grams of protein in a 2-tablespoon serving. Peanut butter can be utilized in a variety of ways in addition to being a good source of protein. Combine it with fruit and oatmeal for a protein boost, or blend it into your favorite smoothie. Furthermore, research have indicated that those who eat peanuts and peanut butter have a lower risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. When feasible, opt for natural peanut butter to eliminate undesired components, like added sugar and oils. Number 9. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the world, and they're inexpensive, costing between $2 and $4 per dozen. They're not only high in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, but they're also high in protein. A big egg weighs 6 grams. Including eggs in your diet is a terrific method to boost your protein intake, while also potentially lowering your calorie intake and helping you lose weight. Eggs for breakfast have been demonstrated in several studies to help keep hunger at bay by causing you to consume fewer calories throughout the day. As a result, you may be able to lose weight. One tiny study indicated that people who ate an egg breakfast for 8 weeks lost 65% more weight than people who ate a bagel breakfast. Another study found that eating eggs for breakfast helped normalize blood sugar and insulin responsiveness by suppressing the hunger hormone ghrelin. Eating eggs may result in less hunger pangs and cravings, which is beneficial for weight loss. Number 8. Edamame. This flavorful, brilliant green bean is a fantastic, low-cost plant-based protein source. Edamame beans are young soybeans that can be purchased shelled or whole. They're a tasty snack that's also a terrific addition to salads and stir-fries. Furthermore, edamame is a high-protein food, with 1 cup, 155 grams, containing an amazing 17 grams of protein. Edamame is also a fantastic option for vegetarians and vegans. This is because they are considered a complete protein source, which means they contain all of the body's required amino acids. Most grocery stores sell this low-cost bean in the freezer area for roughly $2 per 12-ounce, 340-gram bag. Number 7. Canned tuna. Fish, in any form, is an excellent source of protein, and tinned fish is no exception. If fresh fish is out of your price range, tinned tuna is a great method to obtain more protein without breaking the bank. The average price of a 5-ounce, 142-gram can of tuna is roughly $1. A 3-ounce, 85-gram serving delivers roughly 20 grams of high-quality protein, while only containing around 99 calories. Tuna is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in the reduction of inflammation in the body. Canned tuna, on the other hand, may contain high levels of mercury, so adults should limit their intake to a few portions per week. Always choose for canned light tuna, which is prepared from smaller tuna species with reduced mercury levels. Number 6. Plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a delightful, low-cost food that can be used in a variety of ways. It can be eaten simply, blended into a delightful dip for vegetables, or baked into baked dishes. In addition, yogurt is a good source of protein. In fact, an 8-ounce, 224-gram serving contains nearly double the amount of protein found in conventional plain yogurt. Look for products that say live and active cultures, which signifies the yogurt contains helpful probiotics that can help you lose weight and enhance your gut health. Furthermore, choosing plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is an excellent approach to limit your intake of added sugar. Finally, because 24 ounces, 680 grams, of plain Greek yogurt costs roughly $5, buying larger containers is a fantastic way to save money. Number 5. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds, despite their small size, contain a significant amount of protein. 1 ounce of plant-based, vegan-friendly protein comprises roughly 6 grams. Protein, as well as vitamins E and magnesium, are abundant in these buttery-tasting nutritional powerhouses. Sunflower seeds are also a versatile and inexpensive food. They cost about $2 per pound, 454 grams, at most stores and can be used in salads, yogurt parfaits, and as a crunchy topping for a variety of foods. Number 4. Black beans. Black beans are one of the most convenient and cost-effective sources of plant-based protein. In most places, a 15-ounce, 455-gram, may be had for around $1. Black beans have more than 15 grams of protein per cup, 172 grams. In addition to being a strong source of protein, black beans are also a high source of fiber. About 15 grams are contained in 1 cup, 172 grams. Women should consume 25 grams of fiber per day, while males should consume 38 grams per day, according to leading health groups. Black beans make you feel full, and are good for weight loss due to the significant levels of protein and fiber they contain. With fact, a recent assessment of 21 research indicated that consuming 3/4 of a cup of beans per day resulted in a 0.75 pound, 0.34 kilograms, weight loss for those who made no other dietary modifications. Bean-rich diets have also been demonstrated to decrease hunger and promote fullness. They can be used to provide a robust punch of plant-based protein to foods, like chili, soups, and salads. Number 3. Sardines. Sardines, while not the most popular fish, are high in protein and other minerals. Sardines include roughly 23 grams of highly absorbable protein per can, 92 grams, as well as several other key elements like vitamin D and B12. Sardines are a fantastic source of natural calcium, because they are supposed to be eaten whole, bones and all. In fact, one can meet 35% of the daily requirement for this bone-building mineral. Fresh fish might be costly, but sardines are a good protein option for those on a tight budget. In fact, most 3.75-ounce, 92-gram, sardine cans cost less than $2. Number 2. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a low-calorie, high-protein dairy product. This mild-flavored cheese is available in a variety of fat percentages, and can be used as a snack or an ingredient in a variety of dishes. Full-fat cottage cheese contains approximately 23 grams of protein, and only 206 calories per cup, 210 grams. Cottage cheese's high protein content makes it a good choice for athletes, and those trying to gain muscle mass. Furthermore, studies have shown that protein-rich meals, like cottage cheese, make you feel fuller for longer, which may aid weight loss. Cottage cheese is fairly inexpensive, costing roughly $3 per 16-ounce, 452-gram tub in most supermarkets. Number 1. Whey protein. The liquid fraction of milk left over after cheese making is used to make whey protein powder. Whey protein powder is a practical and cost-effective approach to increase your protein intake. Whey protein costs about 40 cents per serving on average. Whey protein has been extensively studied for its weight loss benefits, as well as its capacity to build muscular mass and strength. 1 scoop of whey protein powder, 28 grams, contains an amazing 20 grams of protein. Whey protein powder can be used to boost the protein content of smoothies, baked products, and other recipes. Final thoughts: it is not necessary to spend a lot of money to include protein-rich foods in your diet. There are a variety of high-protein meals to suit any diet, desire, or budget. Increasing your protein intake offers numerous health benefits, including the ability to make you feel fuller, lose weight, and develop muscle mass. There are numerous options, ranging from peanut butter to canned salmon. Choosing low-cost foods from this list is a great method to increase your protein intake. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.